Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all had a good weekend. I actually didn't get around to doing a pour on the weekend. We ended up going to the beach with some friends on Sunday, so I didn't have some time. And yesterday I started playing chess again. I haven't played for about 20 years. So that's why I didn't do a pour yesterday. But today is pour day. And yeah, what I'm going to try to do is a little bit of a lacing pour. I haven't done one for a long time. And I normally use the hairdryer to blow out the lacing, but I saw someone I follow on YouTube do it this way, the way I'm going to do it. And so yeah, let's hold thumbs and see if it works. The colors I'm using today, a nice deep cerulean blue, I've got a lighter fluoro blue, and I've got beautiful turquoise, and of course purple, my favorite color. And the lacing color that I've got today is white. So let's see how we're going to do this. I think I'm going to do 4 sections, 4 circles, and then just blow it out with my mouth. And then once that's done, then I'm going to spin it. So let me get going with that. I'll fast forward and play some music just so you guys can stay amused. See you now. Okay guys, there we go. I've got the colors down. I think I may have made my paints a little bit runny, but I wanted them fairly runny so that when I spin it, they move around nicely. I don't think this thing is quite level. Anyway, I'm just going to put a little bit of the, literally that much in each one. Alright guys, there we go. Blown that out nicely, and we have some beautiful colors coming up, some beautiful color combinations. I'm just going to give it a quick flame, get rid of the bubbles, and also the get the cells working. And then once that's done, we're going to spin the heck out of this thing. So I'm hoping that it's going to work. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't, as you know, but I'm quite happy with my color palette choice here because I think the colors go together quite nicely. I just need to try and get this back to the middle. Right guys, I think we've got most of it there. I made a bit of a mess, so I'm going to have to clean that up. But yeah, that's very interesting. I like it. Let me just get... Right guys, there we go. Wow, that was an interesting experiment. I think it turned out great. There's a lot of turquoise coming through. Let's see if we can get some cells coming through it. But otherwise, yeah, I think it's very groovy. There's some lovely color combinations, and almost looks like, I don't know what it looks like, octopus tentacles or something like that. But it's very interesting indeed. And yeah, I think that is a success for today's pour. So not quite the lacing effect that I wanted. I think from recall, the pillow layer, which is the bottom layer, needs to be fairly thick for the other paints to spread over it. I didn't make mine that thick today. I only remembered it after I'd made my base amount, my base paint. So I think that was probably the problem of why we didn't get the nice lacing effect. But I've still actually got some lacing left, some lacing mixture left, and a few colors. So I might do another experiment tomorrow with these leftovers. And see if we can get the actual lacing effect I was looking for. This comes in a very close second. I like it a lot. As usual, my favorite color purple is there. So yeah, I'm very happy with that. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. yeah, and feel free to post any comments or any requests or anything like that I can assist you with my limited knowledge. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. I will be back later in the week, maybe tomorrow if I decide to do another lacing attempt, or otherwise Thursday with a paw. So until then, here's the close-up, and I'll see you then. Cheers.